Hi, I'm Katie Magdalene Sheaves. And as you can see, I'm wearing a Sophie Lancaster sweatshirt. Sophie Lancaster got beaten up over a pack of cigarettes. Voices in my head say a pack. I just ignore them and take another pill. Maybe Sophie is a ghost. Who am I to say that ghosts don't exist? But I'm a skeptic on the whole thing. She's dead and gone in the next life. I buy merchandise because if ghosts exist, then this is all going to her mother. And hopefully Rob. I know this looks like I'm another stoner bitching about art, but I'm much more than that. I'm a musician. I own Sam's band. My name is Katie Sheaves. So I guess the money goes back to me too. It's all a circle. Life is a massive loop. It's God's little joke, if there is one.